I love Chelsea's commentaries in all my videos.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
I like them. Let's get the sounds in there. Your sounds? Oh, dang it.
Uh-oh.
So cute. Am I gonna hit someone?
In the heat of the day hit us, Fritz and I decided to sneak inside the building to get back to our real work. As before, we went into the tunnel while I removed dirt with a bucket. Keep reading. But the small basement room was almost piling high with dirt, and that bothered me. We had a long way to go before we reached the west. What if we ran out of places to store the dirt? Something needed to be done with it.
Oh, babe, it's running. Oh, babe.
Wow.
The jacket.
It's okay, I'm going back.
Oh, you guys are from...
Oh, I miss you, Emily. I miss you. Wave hello. Whoa. That was intense. Oh, that's not too good.
Yeah.
Hello, beautiful. Not about the turtle.
Not totally. Not fucking turtle club.
Turtle.
We could put some bets on what time this thing would erupt at. Camelot.
You guys want to wave? We'll start to wave. Here we go.
Almost. Got everyone's attention. Now it's gonna work.
All right, one more.
Again.
Some people are doing it.
Yes. There it is.
Oh, those people suck. There we go.
The middle section where it kind of peters out.
Yeah. And then it gets picked up again.
Yep.
It really does.
Several times.
Yes, that's awesome.
Decide they want to participate.
Oh my gosh.
Bring it back!
Bring it back.
Bring it back!
Incredible.
Rebound. Hit the end and come back around.
Just need one fun person.
Yeah.
Is that bison poop? I bet that is.
That'd be a cool view.
First or something.
There was a bison in front.
Oh yeah. Imagine if you just walked by while we were sitting here. That'd be amazing.
Got a good seats, guys.
Good job, Lila.
Steven.
Good timing.
Does anybody have the time?
My knees are going numb.
Eruptions as a job.
That'd be
Sit
boring.
here and stare at it all day.
You just sit and chat with people, and then you, I don't know, listen to a podcast.
This inanimate object has everybody on the edge of their seat waiting to see what it does next. Inconceivable.
Actually animated.
Everything has a spirit. Every rock and tree and creature. The paper looking thing.
No, let's talk about theologically incorrect.
Watch out for the juice. Oh no.
Is that on me?
Oh yeah.
Well, you might as well just keep eating because it's gonna happen every time.